In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Mixpanel. To get started, open Mixpanel and go to the board where you want your new report to live. This is an important first step because reports are usually created in the context of a specific board, which helps keep your analysis organized and easy to revisit later. If you already know which board you want to use, simply open it before doing anything else. Once you're on the correct board, look to the top left area of the screen and click Create New. This is where Mixpanel gives you the option to add new content to your board. After clicking it, you'll see different report options appear. These report types are designed for different kinds of analysis, so the one you choose will depend on what you want to measure or visualize. From that list, click the report you want to add. As soon as you select it, Mixpanel will place that report onto your board and open up its configuration options. This is where the setup becomes more customizable. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different settings for that specific report. These settings can usually be adjusted to change how the data is displayed and what information the report focuses on. Take your time here and manipulate the settings based on what you need. For example, you may want to refine the way the report presents data, change the criteria it uses, or adjust the visualization so it's easier to understand at a glance. The exact options will vary depending on the type of report you selected, so don't worry if the controls look a little different from one report to another. That's completely normal in Mixpanel. The main idea is simple. Choose your board, click Create New, select the report, and then use the Settings panel on the right to shape the report the way you want. If something doesn't look right the first time, you can continue adjusting those settings until the report better matches your goal, and that's it. Once your report is added and configured, it's ready to be used on your board. This is a quick and effective way to build out dashboards and organize your analytics in Mixpanel, especially if you want your team to have easy access to the insights that matter most.